my dear students, welcome to Teacher at Home. Today class we are going to learn the second part of this chapter, human life along the coast. Fishing is the main occupation of the people in the coastal plains. Tourism also have great responsibility here. Rice and coconut are the major agricultural crops along the west coast. Rice is extensively cultivated in the basins of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri along the east coast to our own islands. Lakshadweep Islands are situated in the Arabian Sea at a distance of about 300 kilometers offshore from Kochi. There are 36 islands in this island group, of which only 11 are inhabited. Bangaram, Kadamat, Minikoi, Kavarati, Agati, Androth, Kalpeni, Amidivi, Chadlat, Bitra, Kiltan are the major islands. Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Lagoons, sandy beaches and coral reefs are the specialties of the Lakshadweep Island group. People depend largely on sea for their sustenance as agriculture is sparse here. Fishing and tourism are the major sources of income. Let us get to know about another island group. Group of islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman Nicobar Islands include about 200 islands of Andaman group and 90 islands of Nicobar group. Most of the islands are not inhabited. Many of them have diverse forests. The only volcano in India is situated in the barren island here. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Indira Point at the southernmost tip of the Nicobar Island considered as the southern end of India. So the Indira Point is considered as the southern point end of India. Don't forget to name the map you have completed as India Physiography. Now you might have understood that India is divided into 5 major physiographic divisions, namely Northern Mountains, Great Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains and Islands, and also that each of these divisions influence the life of people in India. Next is about the climate. Note the conversations of children from different places in India. Experienced heavier showers today. Using the instrument called rain gauge, we measured the rain and displayed it in the school notice board. That is the news from the Kerala. It is 15th June. It is so dry that even drinking water is scarce here. June is the hottest month. ഏറ്റവും ചൂടുള്ള മാസം ജൂൺ ആണ്. ഇവിടെ വെള്ളം പോലും ഇല്ല. Rajasthan 10th May. Cold is so severe here that the schools are closed. The weather is said to be caused by the location of this place away from the sea. Cold is so severe here that the schools are closed. തണുപ്പ് കണ്ടമാനമാണ്. സ്കൂളൊക്കെ അടച്ചു. That's also from Rajasthan 10 January. The one-day cricket match supposed to be conducted at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, Chennai has been postponed. We were looking forward to see the match, Tamil Nadu 20 November. It is clear that from the conversation that the climate in India varies from place to place and time to time. Like physiography, climate also is diverse. What causes this spatial diversity in climate? What factors are responsible for these differences in climate? Factors influencing the climate of India are latitude, physiography, nearness to sea, altitude. The season in India can be generally classified into 4. Cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon season, retreating monsoon season. Cold weather season. Haven't you seen in the picture? There are some of the winter scenes of North India. You might have heard that the media about the extreme cold of North India. Why is it so? India experiences winter when the position of the sun is over the southern hemisphere. Most places in India experience intense fog and snowfall occur in the valleys of the Himalayas during this season. Average day temperature recorded in the month of January at different places in India are shown in the map. Examine this to infer the pattern of change in the temperature. Why does the temperature decrease from south to north? During the cold weather season, days are generally warm and nights are severe cold and in North India. അതായത് വിന്റർ സീസണിൽ പകൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും നല്ല തണുപ്പും രാത്രി Cold weather season generally warm at night and severe cold in North India. Snowfall is a common phenomenon in the hill stations like Manali and Simla. Phenomena called western disturbance is another peculiarity of the season. Cyclones originating in the Mediterranean Sea during the winter gradually shifts towards the east and reaches India. This causes winter rainfall in the northern plains, especially in the Punjab region. This rain is much beneficial to the winter crops. Let streams, the upper air currents in the troposphere have a significant role in bringing the western disturbances to India. Hot weather season. The picture given here are some scenes of hot weathers experienced in different parts of India. Observe the map. To understand the distribution pattern of temperature in May, isn't the temperature in North India very high compared to the southern region located close to the sea? Why does this happen? India experiences hot weather when the sun is over the northern hemisphere. It is a Barmer in western Rajasthan that the highest temperature of summer is felt. Loo, mango showers, etc. are some local winds experienced in India during this season. We have learned about these winds in this earlier chapter. Kal Baisagi. Kal Baisagi is the phenomenon of heavy showers with thunder occurring in the West Bengal region during the hot weather season. Roaring winds and hailstones are the characters of this rain. Southwest monsoon season. Observe the map. The direction of flow of the southwest monsoon winds is shown here. Highest rainfall season in India is caused by these winds. When the sun is over the northern hemisphere, North Indian regions experience intense low pressure. Owing to the high pressure over the oceans, wind blows from high pressure to low pressure regions, that is from the Indian Ocean to the Indian subcontinent. As the winds deflect towards right due to Coriolis effect, they reach India as southwest monsoon winds. Because of the peculiar shape of the Indian peninsula, the southwest monsoon winds bifurcate into two branches on entering the land. Because of this peculiar shape of Indian peninsula, this Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch that reaches the coast of Kerala by early June causes heavy rainfall here. Then it advances to the states of Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat and cause rainfall in the western parts. Rainfall is scarce in Rajasthan regions because the monsoon branch entering through Gujarat blows parallel to the Aravalli mountain ranges. The Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon advances northward by absorbing more moisture from the Bay of Bengal. On reaching West Bengal, crossing the Sundarban Delta, it bifurcates into two branches. One branch reaches the northeastern states through the Brahmaputra plains and causes heavy rainfall there. What is the role of eastern highlands in bringing heavy rainfall to the northeastern states? Other branch enters the Ganga plain and causes rainfall in West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. This branch, merging the Arabian Sea branch in the Punjab plains, advances north further and causes heavy rainfall along the foothills of the Himalayas. Retreating monsoon season. By the end of September, as the sun apparently shifts towards the southern hemisphere, intense high pressure develops over the northern plains. Comparatively, low pressure over the Indian Ocean causes wind to blow from the northern part of India towards the Indian Ocean. Look at the map. These winds, known as northeast monsoon winds, are dry winds that do not generally cause any rain in India. The season termed as northeast monsoon is actually a transition period between the rainy season and the forthcoming winter. This season, experienced during the months of October and November, make the days unbearable due to high temperature and humidity. This phenomenon is known as the October heat. The wind blowing from land to sea due to the attraction of low pressure over the Bay of Bengal takes a northeast to southwest direction. It absorbs moisture from Bay of Bengal and causes rainfall along the Coromandel coast, especially the Tamil Nadu coast. This is the main rainy season of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and some parts of Karnataka also receive northeast monsoon rains. Distribution of rainfalls in India. Place receiving more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Kerala. Place receiving less than 60 centimeter rainfall. Rajasthan. Reasons for the imbalances in the distribution of rainfall. That is physiography. Distribution of rainfall. Each of the geographical characteristics of India does justice to the title, the Land of Diversities. These diversities persist in every aspect such as physiography, climate, lifestyle, culture, flora, fauna, natural resources, and form the basis of India's prosperity. It is our responsibility to safeguard these diversities. So that's all about this chapter. Thank you. If you are interested, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.